Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the multi-resolution modifier. Okay, let me put a Suzanne here, the monkey, and let me give it a multi-resolution modifier. You can see nothing happened. You can't change these and you cannot change until you will come to here and make a divide, and it will subdivide, and when you are clicking on this, you see it will show you the before and after. You see, if I put it a monkey here, the Suzanne, and I did a subdivision like this, and I did shade smooth, and I do shade smooth for this. Let me go to the normals, and I have to give this one another subdivide, and you can see something like this happened, or shade flatted. Okay, you can make many subdivides as you want. Okay, let's see. Now if you open the real, you might see it. 1 minute, and let's go back to 5. Okay, this is like this, and we can shade smooth it, and this one we can shade smooth it. And we can close this one, and it will go back to its state, and we can do this one, click on this, and it will be smooth. But in this one we don't have anything to make it return back. We don't have an subdivide. Okay, so that's why they put it this multi-resolution. Okay, let me delete this, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it on 4, and let me show you another thing, which is I will close this one and make it shade flat, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to sculpt mode. In sculpt mode, I'm going to open the x-axis mirror. It will be a mirror. Don't worry, we will talk about this in later examples. Let me see if I can do this. Let me press this one and put the strength up, make it more strength. So when I'm going back to my mode, let me put the multi-resolution. You see that I put it something here, and when I close this one, I see this. You see, this is multi-resolution modifier. I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.